yourself to our program. I am Anne, hosting the session today. Prayer is the raising of one's mind and heart to God, or requesting of good things from God. Let's start our program with a prayer. I invite Priva and Ashwini for the prayer. The CPA designation distinguishes licensed accounting professionals committed to protecting the public interest. These professionals offer financial statement, audits, and other attestation service to help inform investors about the financial health of organizations. They provide individuals and families with valuable knowledge and advice on tax and financial planning. I heartily invite Priva to speak for the welcome speech. Education is the passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Now, the person who has consumed himself to change the society and light the darkness in the life of your children. The principal, Avestilla Mary's College, respected Dr. Paul V. Matthew, is requested to come on the stage and give a presidential address. Welcome, sir.
Our chief guest of the day, Sri Maiti Wagner, Manoj from Minds Education Institutions, Chairman of the College, Advocate Arvind Paul, Director M.E. Arun, my dear teachers and students. So, as some of you know, we are going to tie up with Minds Education, one of the leading education institution, commerce and such areas. They are pioneers in organizing certified public accountant course. So today we are going to formally start association with this prestigious institution. As many of you know, going simply with a graduation certificate will not make any sense in our future pursuit. So we had a discussion, many rounds of discussion with Minds Education, and they are offering graduation program called Certified Public Accountant course, along with assured job after that graduation, and even that is in big four companies or big three companies. So I know that some of you are doing value-added courses like CA and CMA. So now lots of people are migrating to different countries, European countries, for better quality of life, better living conditions. So I think this is a golden opportunity to do such courses which can bring our future safe, prosperous, and glamorous in both personal as well as professional life. So I'm not prolonging my speech, but we really want to hear about what are the opportunities of becoming a certified public accountant, how we can make our life more prosperous, how our life can be made more professional, and achieve all our dreams through doing our commerce graduation. So I find it as a golden opportunity where we can further explore to different value addition programs in commerce and management along with various other courses of the future. So this is one of the steps we are taking towards that direction. So I formally welcome once again Michael Wagner Manoj from the Institute of Miles, and I thank management and all the teaching as well as non-teaching staff and students, those who are behind all these initiatives. And I hope that in coming years we can surely produce some glamorous CMA and CPA professionals from our academic institution. So thank you very much. I am really awaiting to hear from the Miles team presentation, and I hope that this will be benefit to all of you, and please convey these prosperous thoughts and opportunities to your fellow classmates, class members. I know that we have more than 150 students in the campus, but we only selected those who are keen on making professional development. So thank you once again, and I wish all the very best towards this journey.
Thank you, sir. Miles is the largest course provider for US CPA, US CMA in India. They have been instrumental in building the ecosystem for CPA and CMA in India. They enroll 20,000 finance and accounting professionals and students every year and have collaborations with all of the big four public accounting firms and their 230 plus MNCs. Michael Wagner, Vice President at Miles Education Private Limited. He was the General Manager at Miles Education Private Limited, founder and the Managing Partner, Emmanuel Global Solutions, Assistant Manager at the Fargo, and also Team Leader Operation at the BA Conference Solution. Manoj V is the co-founder of Miles Education Private Limited. He is from the commerce background. He started Miles with a vision to upskill students and the professional to be future ready. It's time workshop. I would like to invite Mr. Michael Wagner for the session.
Good morning, students. Am I audible? Before I start my presentation, first I would like to thank the department, special thanks to for giving us this wonderful opportunity to talk to you, to make you understand why professional qualification is very important. I like the point which Sir has mentioned. Today, just BCom is not enough. If you want to succeed, if you want to get into a good multinational company, you need to have some kind of professional qualification. And that is the reason I would like to congratulate the management. They are working very hard to bring a lot of institutions, a lot of partners, so that one side you learn BCom, and on the other side you learn some professional qualification. And I tell you today, all the qualifications are good qualifications. CA, ACCA, CMA, CMA, CPA. Every qualification is good qualification. You need to decide which qualification you want to take it on. And you should be thankful to the management because they are giving you a platform. Correct? Because with BCom, they are giving you options to choose. And that's the reason I'm here today. to talk to you about a program which is called as CPE. How many heard about CPE? Good, very nice. Full form?
Certified Public Accountant.
Wonderful, very good, very good. Let me take a pause here and let's talk about Indian CA. How many knows Indian CA? One, two. I don't know the full form. Can you tell me what is the full form of CA? Sorry?
Chartered Accountant.
Okay, we will do one thing. We will keep this session more interactive. Rather than me talking, I would request you people to talk with me because all of you have done your research, correct? So, what's your name?
Asim Suresh.
Sorry?
Asim Suresh.
Okay, stand up. You stand up. You said you know CA, right? Now, we all know the fact Indian CA is the highest accounting qualification, yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
How many exams are there in CA?
3 levels.
3 levels?
Foundation,
Foundation?
IPCC,
Absolutely.
final.
Final. You know how many papers you need to write? I'm not questioning him, he is helping me. He is helping me to make you understand. So, how many papers you need to write?
I think foundation,
4
4 papers.
papers.
Intermediate, IPCC, 8
Mhm.
papers, final 8.
Absolutely. Total altogether 16? 16 papers. Agree, disagree? How many people agree with me? For you to become a qualified CA, you need to write 16 exams. How many years it takes? Average?
5 years.
5 years. Actually, let's clap hands for him. 50% of the job he done it for me. Thank you. So, last question. If you know, what is the pass rate?
I think mostly 30%.
4.83%. After this session, do a Google, you'll get the pass rate. Okay? So my friend, sit down. Thank you so much. So my friend he explained very beautifully. CA is the highest accounting qualification in India. It has 16 exams, and on an average, it takes 4 to 5 years of time. Another point what he said is, or rather I wanted to do a Google afterwards, the pass rate for CA is 4.93%. Let's say 5%. So my question to you is, what happened to the 95% of the crowd? I am saying only 5% is passing. Then what happened to 95%? You know what 95% they do? They keep trying. Tell me anyone who wanted to be a CA here in this. Anyone? So what happens is, even I wanted to be a CA. I kept on trying, and I'm still trying. So one side of the crowd is, my parents told me during my graduation that you have to be a CA. So I kept on trying. The other crowd is, there is an alternative also. See students, I'm not here to compete with CA. CA is the best qualification. But what are the other options? Do you have other options? Yes. You have other options. If you cannot be a CA, that's okay. There is something like CA, which is called as CPA. The full form for CPA is Certified Public Accounting. I would say it is equivalent to Indian CA. Sit down. It is equivalent to Indian CA. You know why I say that it is equivalent to Indian CA? No, he has to change the slides. Do you know why I say it is equivalent to Indian CA? Because most of the papers, what we teach you in US CPA overlaps with the Indian CA. That is the reason we use the word equivalent. So students, I think I made my pitch very clear. The foundation is very clear, right? I'm not here to compete with CA. CA is the best qualification. But all I'm trying to educate you today is that there is an alternative. And the alternative is US CPA. Next slide. Who are we? We, Miles Education, I would say today in India, we are the fastest edtech company. Started 11 years back. it was being started by Mr. Varun Jain. If you do a Google, second homework for you, if you do a Google and find out who's Mr. Varun Jain, he's India's favorite instructor for CPA. So he's the one who started this organization. But beyond that, if you look my slide, today we are connected with more than 200 plus corporate companies. We work more than 150 universities. And that's why we are grateful to Principal Sir that he has given us this opportunity to work with you also. So we are working with a lot of universities. In Kerala, I'll give you some examples. We work with Rajgiri, we work with Sahardaya, Sacred Heart. So my whole idea is that we are already an established organization 11 years back, and we work with a lot of multinational companies. We work with a lot of universities across India. Next slide. This is what we have been doing past 11 years. If you today see in India, and I'll only talk about India, in India, 80% of the alumni are from Miles Education. So they came to us, they learned CPA and CMA from us. So we have captured almost 80% of the market. And our pass rate is very important. Why we are so successful is because our pass rate is 85%. So 11 years we have been teaching students like you, we have been teaching working professionals for these two wonderful qualifications, CPA and CMA. Next. See, this is what, I think my friend already gave me the answer. And what he gave is, and I'm not saying it is available on Google also. So, what is CPA? CPA is public auditing. We all know that, right? So, if I have to do an apple-to-apple comparison, if I have to just compare to you with all these three programs, CA, ACCA and CPA, the answer is in front of you. Because all I'm saying is, it's okay if you cannot become a CA, that's fine. There is an alternative which is called as CPA. Why it is one of the best program? Because it has only 4 exams. So here, you're not writing 16 exams. You're not writing 7 to 8 exams after your paper exemptions when you take up ACCA. Here, you just need to write 4 exams to be a qualified CPA. And you know the way we planned up is, the kind of arrangement we have with the management is that during the time of graduation only, we will teach the students all the 4 papers of CPA so that they are ready for the job immediately after graduation. Next slide. Well, many reasons why you should take up CPA. Point number 1, this US CPA is a globally recognized qualification, not only in India. This qualification is recognized worldwide. Point number 1. Point number 2, 2 years back, CPA exams generally happens in US, Dubai, China. Can you go to China? Because of the language problem, we cannot go to China. These were the only 3 places the US CPA exams used to happen. But the good news is now CPA exams are in India. And that is the exact reason why there's so much of demand for US CPAs in India. Every month, Miles Education, we do close to 1,200 enrollments every month, out of which 70% are for CPAs. I'm talking pan-India. In the whole India, we get somewhere around 700 to 800 enrollments only for CPA. And you know, students, who are those people who take up our program? Any guesses? Any wild guesses? Working professionals. There are few people who are already working in good companies, but they now feel the value of the